Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about Lorraine and what he's heard on another platform, and he's saying that he might have added something to the story, or he might have took off something from the story, but he's talking what he heard from the platform. So there's a lot of things going on concerning Lorraine, and so Dwayne is spilling the tea. So join him on this video, and please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for your daily updates.
And on a know some love people business. On a know some love people business. Anyway, it was brought to my attention, say the people them tell the next side to go watch them can't believe say Smaddy I deal with that side there, and the people them sick them stomach. Lord God. It caused big ruption, pioneer. It caused big ruption. Whether that the side over there, so I go for that side over here, so. I go for Andre's side over here, so basically. I'm talk it straight and done. I'm talk straight and done. Lorraine's side, I go for Andre's side over here, so. Wanna never know. Wanna never know. Wanna know what people them business. Wanna know what people them business. Me hear say the people them over Andre team say Lorraine sick them stomach. Hey, social media can festive it up. This is social media can festive. And all along, I never know. On a two bad mind and wicked. One don't want to tell me the people them business because I know say when they tell me I gotta chat the people them business. And me a couple and pay come chat the people them business. But yeah, me hear say Andre people them say Lorraine for go wash him dirty plate. Or hold on. Me say me get it. Me no want to tell no lie. Me no want to tell no lie. Them say Andre people them on Andre's side say what them say again. Lorraine them can't somebody calling pa Andre show and say Andre and Lorraine them watch. Anyway, Andre people go call in and say them can't believe say this somebody we calling pa Andre page watching the people there, which are Lorraine them attack, right? And Lorraine for go wash him dirty plate them. Something so. I saw me get it. And me get it. I saw me a give tono. Me might add on and might take off. Me no know. Me might add on and me might take off. But at the end of the day, the people them who calling for the people them show. Right? That's why me always tell Uno say. Me always tell all of my viewers them say. Me not tell none of Uno where fi go. Uno go where anyone who want go because you are me never did that, you know. When you not pay on the internet bill or pay a monthly bill. When me did that when you not pay them something there. So why the back said no? Why the caca fart actually? Why the caca fart? Me I gotta tell Uno where fi go for Uno fi go. So what make enough for the people them pay one can tell people, Uno don't gonna say, Uno fi stop it. I know me not pick up for nobody. Me just talk on my ear and me a insinuate. Me a tell myself, my audience people, me say Uno can go watch. Uno can go watch all me head. Me have some enemy pie and me have some enemy pie when I like me. And me not gonna say, because Uno go watch them. Me don't want them from my page or, you know. Me not gonna do them something there. So why people I make this at the top them say, them can't believe say X, Y, and Z. I wanna pay the people them phone bill. I wanna pay the people them phone bill. Help me for understand if I not pay the people them phone bill. And no, me not bash nobody. Me not bashing nobody. Wanna fi stop it and stop trying to dictate to people pan ya. On if you stop it. And me a chat raw and Jamaican because of that no found understand. Raw, cha, Jamaican. Top try control people panya. On if you tap it. Make people do what they want, do what I feel them phone. Oh no, never buy nobody phone give them. Oh never buy nobody phone give them. Me not tell you like me say me not Lorraine me don't like you, Lorraine. Lorraine me not like you because me not like you because you try you frig with me one time and it did burn me. So me come out come cuss you. And if you try one more time, I'll come out come cuss you again too. But me not depend on cuss with nobody. Me just a chat to no business. Right? And me I gotta say, if you stop trying to dictate to people and tell people what figure from when I figure up on social media. And if you stop say, you can't be X, Y, and Z because that is none of no business. On a too enough and plenty pine. Enough on the too enough and plenty pine ya. Enough on a per social media. On a too enough and plenty. Like say, you know, me say it already. I'm say it again. On is not paying the people them phone bill. So them, you know what I mean? On if you do better. Be thankful to the people them watch, you know. Be thankful to the people them, you know, I support, you know, and stop try. And again, you over there, so you have to stop tear down people too. You over there, so lady over there, so Lorraine, you have to stop tear down people because that is all you have to stop it. You have to stop it. Enough things we can chat up on our page. But me nah get into that. To each is or her own. If you want to chat people business. And now no, then again, you know what? Nothing we pay out. A people business. We are chat. Even if we are talking in a way, when you look at the people in business, we are chat the people in business. We are chat the people in business. Whether as something we go down in the newspaper, or whether as something we see on social media, we are chat the people in business. One of the act accordingly and stop going to more than people. And on stop tear down people because that is what you don't like to do. Tear down on your own people and on if stop it. Stop tear down people. I'm gonna say it one more time. Stop tearing down your people them. Make the people them prosper. Who want to feel the stone, I want to me a chat. I'm on if stop tearing down people and stay on the own lane and chat people business, but chat it in a respectful way. And not to stick to one smart business. Chat everybody business. Chat everybody business. So it don't look like say one just try be one smarty or two smarty or three. Chat everybody. So it is an equal playing field. And the people them can't say again, not try to tear down nobody. It is as simple as 1, 2, 3. It's like me not cater anything when me see pie or me want chat, me I got chat it. Cause I feel me page and God bless me. Look, God bless me with my little mix up. God bless me with my little mix up page. So any little mix up me see pie, me I got chat it. Cause me is Dwayne Fletcher, aka Mix Up Dwayne Fletcher, aka Dweisha Mix Up Fletcher. So yeah, me I stick to the devil wanna know. Stick to the devil wanna know. I am going to encourage all platform owners, whether I have a platform or not, stick to the devil wanna know. Right?